2022. This week we have Mughlai. Mughlai is a combination of Persian or Middle East Asian cuisine and Indian cuisine, brought in by the invaders from Persia and Mongolia and developed in India during that time. So this week, what we thought we would do is some of the cuisines from that era. Obviously, it has gone through multiple changes and have evolved since then. But so what we want to do is today what we have is our two vegetarian dishes. The first one is a Paneer-Almond or badam, as we call it, kofta or kebab. And also we have a vegetarian dish. So we'll go through the vegetarian dish later. So what we have here is paneer that I grated, and I'll add the cashews. This is about 2 cups of paneer and about 2 cups of cashews. So we'll add this together and we'll form it into a paste. And to do that, we'll add some water. And we'll add as necessary, and then we'll pulse this or mix this together into sort of a paste. Let's check it out. See, it's still not fully incorporated, but it is wet, right? So we'll cook this with some onions and some chilies. Pan is hot. We'll add a little bit of oil, about a tablespoon or tablespoon and a half. And to this we'll add, this is chopped onion and green chilies. Add some salt. We'll cook till this is soft. Onions are soft, so we'll add the paneer and almond mixture. To this we'll add the breadcrumbs. So this is fresh breadcrumbs. So we'll add that. We'll add salt. And then we'll mix it together. We'll cook it till it's not sticking to the pan. Paneer and almond mixture with onions is ready. So to this we'll add, this is coriander and mint leaves chopped. So we'll add this. And then we'll add a little bit of cream, a little bit at a time, just to make the consistency better. So maybe 2 tablespoons or maybe 3 tablespoons first. And we'll mix it together. We'll see how the consistency is, and then maybe we'll add a little bit more. Okay, I should be able to form the kebabs. So this is good. Let's check the salt level. It needs, the consistency is good. It needs a little bit of salt. So we'll add a little bit more salt. The salt level is at the right consistency. I have some breadcrumbs here. So I'll wet my hands in this water and then take like a little more than golf ball and then press it down, form into a patty, put it in the breadcrumbs, that's it. So we'll form the rest, we'll make the rest of it and then we'll fry it. We have built the kebabs. We'll keep this in the fridge for about 30 minutes and then once it's cold, we'll pan fry it. We heat in a pan. So in the pan I've put in some oil and then we're going to fry these kebabs. We'll fry golden on one side and then we'll turn it over and fry the other side. Paneer-Almond or Paneer-Badam kebabs are ready. Served with a little bit of mint and coriander chutney. So there you have it.